Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the DirectX setup error that an internal system error occurred on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So this typically has to do with an older versions of the Visual C++ so that needs to be updated. So makikita mo dito na an internal system error occurred. Please refer to the dx_error.log and directx.log in your Windows folder to determine the problem. Okay, so kung paano ba natin ito i-fix? And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang first solution na pwede natin gawin ay i-perform natin yung install DirectX within an admin account. Kung paano ba natin yan gawin? So, dito lang si start menu. So, right-click ka lang. And then, select mo lang dito yung run or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na press mo lang yung Windows logo plus letter R. So, click mo lang yan. And then, makikita mo na kaagad dito yung run. Right? So, dito sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na netplwiz. Ito siya. Okay? And then, kapag na-type mo na siya, and then, click mo lang dito yung okay. And then pop up itong user account. Okay, so ang next step, dito sa ating accounts ay select mo lang dito yung standard user account na ginagamit as user profile. So, select ka lang dito. So, kapag nakapag-select ka na, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung properties dito sa baba. Okay, so click mo lang yung properties. And then pop up itong kanyang properties. So, dito lang sa general. And then, pwede ka na mag-create dito ng username. And then, pwede mong ilagay dito yung kanyang full name. And then, maglagay ka din dito na description. So, once na-open up mo na dito, so, ang next step ay, i-click mo lang dito yung group membership. So, click mo lang yan. And then, select mo lang dito yung administrator. Okay? So, click mo lang yan. And then, click mo lang dito yung apply. And then, click mo lang dito yung okay. Right? So, after dito, so, close lang natin. So, ang next step, dito na sa search menu, so click mo lang yan. And then, type mo lang dito yung registry editor. Okay, so once na i-type mo na yung registry editor, so kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. Okay, so dito sa registry editor, so ang gagawin natin ay kailangan lang natin i-edit yung kanyang registry. So, before to proceed in the registry, so I would suggest you to create a backup file. So, if anything go wrong, you could easily restore it back in order to create a backup. So, it's very simple. All you have to do is to select yung file dito sa taas. So, click mo lang yung file. And then, select mo lang dito yung export. And then, dito sa export registry file. So, select ka lang dito kung saan may sisave yung file. And then, I would recommend dito sa pag-create ng file name, so kailangan mo lang ilagay yung date. Okay? So, write yung file name and then yung date and click mo lang dito yung save. Right? So, if you want to import it back, so, it's same procedure. So, dito lang sa taas, click mo lang dito yung file. And then, select mo lang dito yung import. And then, dito sa import registry file, so, ilocate mo lang kung saan mo sinave yung file. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. Right? So, proceed na tayo. So, ang next step dito sa computer, and then kailangan mo lang select dito yung HK local machine. So, dito kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then, next step dito sa local machine. And then, next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung software. So, dito sa software, kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then, dito sa software, ang next step ay ilocate natin yung Microsoft. Okay, ito siya. So, dito sa Microsoft, kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then dito sa Microsoft, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung DirectX. Okay? So, hanapin natin dito yung DirectX and then ito na siya. So, dito sa DirectX, kailangan mo lang i-select. And then dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung kanya settings. So, ang next step dito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung installed version. Okay? Ito siya. So, dito sa installed version, so, kailangan mo na mag-double click and then pop up itong kanyang edit binary value. So dito sa value data ay kailangan lang natin itong i-replace. So i-delete natin yan. So once na i-delete mo na siya and then kailangan lang natin i-replace itong new value data na 4.09.00.0904. Okay? So kailangan lang natin i-replace ng 4.09.00.0904. So yan yung ilalagay natin and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright. So after dito, so close lang natin. So back lang tayo. So back. Close lang natin dito. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay. So ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix DirectX setup error and internal system error occurred in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.